Good morning, ninth class. Yes, class 9. Today we will start exercise 6.3, question 1. Exercise 6.3 basically the chapter from chapter 6, lines and angles. And in exercise 6.3, questions are based on angle relations, which we will discuss already in the previous class. Okay. So, come to the question 1. In this figure, triangle PQR is given. RT is a line. Similarly, QPS is another line. Angle TQP is given 110. Angle RPS is given 135. And question is asking that find angle PRQ. Angle PRQ. It is unknown angle. You have to find. Okay. Now, RQT is a line. So, solution. RQT is a line. Therefore, TQS plus RQS. Angle TQS plus RQS. This angle, let it angle 1. Angle RQS is 180 degree. The relation is linear pair angles. Okay. Now TQS is given 110. RQS is marked as 1, that is 180. So 1 is 180 minus 110 equals to 70 degree. This is the first value of the angle 1. Now come to the angle 2. In angle 2, SPR plus RPQ is also equals to 180. Again, linear pair angles. Why it is linear pair? Because QPS is also a line. QPS is a line. That's why SPR is 135 plus angle 2 equals to 180. So angle 2 equals to 180 minus 135, that is 45 degree. This is second angle which we have to find. Now come to the angle PRQ. PRQ is this angle, angle 3, marked as angle 3. Now in triangle PQR, angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals to 180. The reason is angle sum property of triangle. Angle 1 is 70 degree. Angle 2 is 45 degree. And angle 3 is unknown, that is angle PQR. PRQ equals to 180. Sum of 70 plus 45, 115 plus PRQ equals to 180. So angle PRQ is 180 minus 115 is equals to 65 degree. So angle PRQ is 65 degree. Is it clear? So first we have to use angle relation, angle linear pair angles. Then we have to use angle sum property of triangle. Now come to the question number 2. In second question, angle XYZ is a triangle. X, Y, Z. Angle X is given 62 degree, Y is given 54 degree, Z is not given, but YO is a bisector of angle Y and ZO is the bisector of angle Z. It is given. And you find three angles, OZY, YOZ. So now in triangle XYZ, angle X is 62 degree, angle Y is 54 degree, but OY is the bisector of angle Y. OY is bisector of angle Y. So half of angle Y equals to half of 54 degree. So half of angle Y means this angle marked as angle 1. So angle 1 is 27 degree. This is the first value. Okay. Now in triangle XYZ, angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is 180 degree. The angle sum property of triangle, X is given 62, Y is given 54, Z is not given. So 62 plus 54, 116 plus angle Z equals to 180. So angle Z is 180 minus 116 degree, or angle Z is, now whenever we subtract 116 from 180, so angle is 64 degree. Is it clear? So angle Z is 64 degree, the whole angle Z, but OZ is the bisector of angle. So OZ is bisector of angle Z. So half of angle Z is half of 64 degree. So half of Z marked as angle 2. This is angle 2. So angle 2 is 32 degree. This is the second angle. Okay. Now YOZ, first angle OZY, ये फाइंड करना है आपको, एंड देन YOZ, YOZ, इसे आपको फाइंड करना है. सो एंगल YOZ इन ट्राइंगल YOZ, दिस इज अ स्मॉल ट्राइंगल. Marked as angle 3, angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals to 180. Angle sum property of triangle, 1 marked as, yes, 1 is 27 degree, 2 is 32 degree, 3 is unknown, that is 180. Now angle 7 to 9, 3 to 5, 59 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree. So angle 3 equals to 180 minus 59 degree. So angle 3 equals to 10 minus 9 1, 17 minus 5 12, 121 degree. 11, yes, 121 degree. And angle 3 means YOZ. So angle YOZ is equals to 121 degree. This is the solution. Okay. So in question 2 we have to find only two angles. One is angle 2, that is OZY. OZY. And the second one angle YOZ. Is it clear? So class 9th, please like and share my video and do not miss to subscribe the channel. And if you have any doubt, regarding the topic. So please give your comments on the comment box. Thank you. See you again in the next video. Goodbye.